New research has revealed today that in spite of the worst double-dip recession in 50 years, UK businesses are showing a renewed sense of optimism, with UK SMEs looking to grow by 88% over the next 5 years. According to the report by Santander, 1 in 10 businesses say that hiring new staff is their most immediate business priority, and nearly 1 in 5 company owners say they believe their business has never been in better shape.
Well, there are many strong and viable businesses in the UK, and the fact that many of them have so much confidence in such turbulent times is a real testament to really how they've focused on their core business. Many, of course, will have rationalised and have really trimmed back their businesses to trade through those tough times. The fact that so many businesses have survived the recent economic turmoil, but I think for me of even more significance, so many have started during the recession, means that I'm really not surprised that many businesses are saying they've never been in better shape.
We're both joint managing directors of Henry Fox Recruitment, which is a specialist agency recruiting in the fashion and retail sector.
Fortunately, we started in a recession, so we actually started in the end of 2008, which obviously was a very poor year and a poor climate, and that's helped us massively. How we've battled it is to grow slowly, to cultivate our clients, to make them really believe in us and feel that they need us in order to grow their business.
But we wanted to make sure that we could diversify as well, so that we're not just relying on one sector. We're very, very cautious. We've constantly got our eye on our bank account. We always know exactly what's coming in, what's going out, we keep a really close eye on our staff. We know what we need to do if things get tough.
Well, for me, I think in securing finance, there are 3 key things that the business owner needs to really convey to the bank. Firstly, a very well thought through business plan. As I've said, it articulates the long-term objective of a business, but very clearly within it should include funding that is required. So short-term, long-term, and I would really encourage people to apply for the full amount that they think they need, but also to budget within it for unexpected costs. Secondly, cash flow forecasts are really, really important. They show ultimately the long-term ability to repay the investment that in reality the bank is making in that business. And so cash flow forecasts will illustrate the business's ability to be able to repay that investment. But thirdly, and for me, I think probably most importantly, the business owner themselves really needs to convey the passion, the enthusiasm, the knowledge for their business that really shows to the bank manager and to the banking teams that they're lending not just to the business, but for me, more importantly, to the business owner.
Recruitment of staff is probably one of the hardest things, you know, to get right. Take your time, spend more money if you have to get the right person, make sure the culture fits right, and do it steadily. Only employ someone when you're absolutely cracking at the seams and you've got enough work to cover for that person to be able to, you know, come in and be profitable for you.
Well, for me, one of the most important things businesses need to do wherever they are on their journey, be they starting up or they've already been trading for a number of years, is to continually seek out more and more information. It really helps them to make sure that where they are competitor-wise is where they're going, but also it can really validate their business plan. Of course, there are a huge variety of sources of information that you can go to. Santander Business Banking website, things like the Small Business Advice Week.co.uk is a fantastic website to look at. But of course, there are a number of government initiatives that are also sponsored by the BBA, and I would strongly encourage people to really drill into and research their business as much as they possibly can, as often as they possibly can.